Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the iOS 18.2 public beta 1, and I'm going to discuss a battery of 18.2 public beta 1, and I will also talk a bit about the Geekbench score so you can have the idea about the performance. Now on my channel, many people are complaining that battery life is not good on 18.2, but I'm not facing that sort of issues. People are also complaining there are some issues related to keyboard over here. So if I go to the keyboard over here, maybe the keyboard over here, people are complaining they having issue with these stickers, although I don't having issues at all. Yes, there were issues with this keyboard that were in 18.1 betas, but now they are pretty much fixed. In 18.2, everything is working pretty much really fine. So let's begin this video with the battery life. So when I go to the settings over here and go to the battery section over here, let the battery starts load. Once they are load over here, going to the last 10 days, as you can see, I'm using my phone decently, not much, but still I'm quite using my phone. If I go to this day over here where I use my phone for around 70 to 75% according to this graph, you can see I got almost 6 hours of screen on time where I was quite active on Instagram, some other applications, and widgets actually consume a lot of battery as there are a lot of widgets going on. This is a stack of widgets. There are another widgets, another widget, another stack. Too many widgets over here. I saved the string, by the way, and here are some other widgets. So definitely there are a lot of widgets. This can be one of the main reasons why home screen and lock screen is consuming a lot of battery. If I move to the another day, over here I used almost like 65 to 70% according to this graph, and 5 hours 35 minutes screen on time. And these are some of the applications quite active on TikTok and some other apps, as you can see over here. As you can see, I used more than 75%, is around 80% or 85%, and the screen on time is insanely good. It is 7 hours 19 minutes. I use YouTube a lot, WhatsApp a lot, again the widgets over here, and some other applications, as you can see. So in terms of battery life, I don't have any sort of issues at all. It is a decent battery life and everything for me is going good. So I don't have issues with the battery life at all. If I go to the Geekbench score and show you how the Geekbench is performing, going over here into the CPU benchmark, CPU history, this is the latest Geekbench score, 2349 on a single core while 5734 on a multi-core. Now, talking about this score, this is the highest single score I get on any iOS 18 version, which is a really positive point about the 18.2 as it is still in development process because it is still in beta, and this multi-core score is also really good. So I don't have any issues with scores and all scores are quite good. And if I go to GPU benchmark, this score is also quite good. As you can see, the comparison between the average iPhone 14 GPU metal score and the actual score of this version, this device using 18.2 public beta. Also, scores are really good. There is a difference of more than 1100 points. So in terms of score on paper, I don't see any problem. I don't know why people are complaining. So things are going decently good. If you are having any battery related issues, you can always sort those issues. You can tweak different settings. So for example, if you go to the settings over here, then go to the privacy and security, you can play with this area to enhance your battery life. First of all, what you can do is you can go into the tracking, turn off the tracking for every other application off. It is going to help a lot. Go back, go to the location services, go all the way down into the system services, then go all the way down over here. There is a category known as product improvement. You can turn off this, you don't need these one. You'll also customize this setting according to your choice. It is also going to help a lot to save your battery life. When you go back from here, go back from here, go all the way down. If you don't use Apple journaling, you can turn off the journaling suggestions. Well, if they are turned on just like this one, they consume battery life because they are trying to fetch data in the background. So by tapping on this, you can turn off all these and it is gonna save a lot of your battery life. Definitely there are many other things that you can do to improve the battery life of your iPhone. For example, you can try to use original Apple accessories. If not original, try to use the Apple accessories that are from famous brands or at least certified by the Apple for iPhone. So these are things that you can do and improve the performance of your device in terms of battery life and also in terms of overall working. In overall terms, public beta 1 is going really good. I'm hoping it will get better with the upcoming updates. Now, if I go to the calendar, there are rumors that Apple is going to bring the next set of Apple Intelligence features in the first week of December, which means we are going to see 18.2 over here, maybe. So which means maybe from here Apple goes to weekly cycle of updates. Let's see. I'm hoping for the best. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. So this was a quick video. Want to talk about 18.2 public beta 1 as it is out from last 2 days and everything is performing really good. Everything is going so far so good. What iOS version you guys are using, let me know in the comment section below. And well, I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.